Good day, viewers. You are welcome. Are all the roots of this equation truly satisfy it? Before you watch this video, pause it and try it, then confirm all the roots if they satisfy. If not, watch this video to the end. We are given b plus b equals b multiplied by b multiplied by b. How can we find all the roots of these equations? So let's get into solving this. If you consider the solution, then from the given question we have plus b equals b multiplied by b multiplied by b. So by adding all this together, having coefficient of 1, we are going to get 1 plus 1 plus 1, then multiplied by b equals, this is having the power, since this dot represents multiplication, we are going to have b raised to power 1 plus 1 plus 1. And from here we have 3 multiplied by b equals b raised to power of 3. But this expression, we can also rewrite it as b raised to power of 3 equals 3b. And we need to get all the solutions. This is power of 3. It means this is a cubic equation. We need 3 solutions. If I take 3b to this side, we have b power 3 minus 3b equals 0. And then at this point, we have to factor out b. If I take out b, if I divide this b cube by b, it will b raised to power of 2 minus also 3b divided by b, we get 3. And everything here equals 0. Then we let b equals to 0, or we have b squared minus 3 equals 0. We have to solve for this to get the 2 solutions. For this side, one of the solution is b equals to 0, and also we have b squared minus 3 equals 0. How can we get the 2 solutions here? Note that if you have square root of x raised to power of 2, this is the same thing as x. That is, with this we have b squared minus 3 in root all squared equals 0. And why did I apply this? I want to use difference of 2 squared. And if you apply the difference of 2 squared, we are going to add and subtract. This is b minus root 3, then multiply by b plus root 3 equals 0. So for this, we have b equals root 3, or we have b equals minus root 3. Any of the way you solve your own after getting b squared minus 3 equals to 0 is all allowed. But this is another fashion on how we can get our b. So the next is, we are going to put the last one here as b equals 0. Let's check. To check for when b equals 0, from the given question, we have b plus b equals b multiplied by b multiplied by b. And by substituting, we have 0 plus 0 plus 0 equals 0 multiplied by 0 multiplied by 0. And the whole of this is 0 equals 0. So this is correct. And also, we check for when b equals square root of 3 in the given b plus b equals b. And to see if they are equal, we have b equals square root of 3. Then by substituting, we have square root of 3 plus square root of 3 plus square root of 3, then equals square root of 3 multiplied by square root of 3 multiplied by square root of 3. Then, if all this attains coefficient of 1, so by adding all this together, we are going to have 3 square root of 3 equals, again, we have square root of 3 multiplied by square root of 3. If you multiply this together, we are going to get square root of 9, then multiply by square root of 3. Then square root of 9 is a perfect square. Therefore, we have square root of 3 equals 3 square root of 3. So this is also correct. And for the last part, we check for when b equals minus square root of 3. For b equals square root of minus 3, we are going to have square root of minus 3 minus square root of 3 minus square root of 3. So this is for adding b plus b plus b. I change this to negative because negative times positive, it gives us negative. Then equals square root of minus 3 multiplied by minus square root of 3 multiplied by minus square root of 3. So if you like, we can put all this in brackets. Then, so with this one, this is negative 1, negative 1, negative 1. That one gives us negative square root of 3 equals, okay, let's say I put all this in bracket. So I put everything in bracket. So with this one, we have minus multiplied by minus, that gives us plus. Then root 3 times root 3, we have it as root 9. Then multiply by minus root 3. So the next is we have minus 3 square root of 3 equals square root of 9 here, it gives us 3. Then here is minus square root of 3. So with this, we have minus 3 square root of 3 equals, this is positive here, and this is multiplication, plus times minus, that gives us minus. Then 3 multiplied by 1 here, that gives us 3. Then we have this as root 3. So looking at these two sides, they are the same, showing that b equals to minus root 3 also satisfy this. Are all what you got satisfy this as well? If that is the case, so you can drop the review in the comment box, and see you in the next video. Never stop learning. Bye bye.